How to register for a Bolt driver's account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can register for Bolt driver's account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is download the Bolt driver account. I mean the app, and after you've downloaded it, open it up. After you've opened it up, you will see this interface. The first option is login. The second option is sign up. Now, if you already have an account, head over to the login option. And if you do not have an account, head over to sign up. Now, for this video purposes, I'll tap on sign up. After you're here, scroll down, and what you'll now need to do is enter your email address here. So let's do that. After you've done that, enter your mobile number and the city you live in. After that, you will get redirected to another sign up page. Now right here you will need to fill all of these up. So let's do that. Now here, choose your language, your referral code if you have any, then the manufacturer model of your vehicle. So just do whatever you want, and the model too. Also your vehicle year, your license plate. So just type in your license plate, your vehicle color, and then tap on next. After you do that, type in your national ID, your driver's license, and with that you will need to continue through with this process till you go through the total of 4 pages, and you're basically good to go. That is how you can create a Bolt driver's account. And that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.